असेंबली वेस्ट ड्रम सावधान। प्रार्थना के तैयार, प्रार्थना शुरू कर। जैसे थे प्रतिज्ञा के लिए तैयार। इंडिया इज माई कंट्री, ऑल इंडियंस आर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स। आई लव माई कंट्री एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट्स रिच एंड वेरिड हेरिटेज। आई शैल स्ट्राइव टू बी वर्दी ऑफ इट, शैल रिस्पेक्ट माई पेरेंट्स, teachers and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. जैसे थे Academy Waist Drum.
Good morning, Good morning, everyone. Today, the thought of the day is hard work has no substitute. I repeat my thought: hard work has no substitute. Thank you. बच्चे का Christoph Betty, 4 class 6.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. Firstly, some international news. UNSC extend mandate of aid mission in Afghanistan by 6 months. Hole in ozone layer over southern hemisphere now larger than Antarctica. Taliban ban female employees from entry. Ministry of Women. Now some national news. Center extend deadline to link Aadhaar with PAN by 6 months. Tamil Nadu government withdraws 5,570 cases filed against protesters since 2011. Supreme Court permits Kerala to hold offline class 11th exam. Now over to some sports news. Virat Kohli to step down as India's T20 captain after World Cup. Australia and New Zealand pulls out of Junior Hockey World Cup and FIH Pro League. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today topic of my speech is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, formerly Uttaranchal, is the state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the land of God, Devbhoomi Uttarakhand, due to the many holy Hindus temple. Devbhoomi Uttarakhand is known for its nature, beauty of the Himalaya, and 9 November 2000, this 27th state of the Republic of India was covered out the Himalaya. India was covered out the Himalaya and adjoining northern western district of Uttar Pradesh. There are 13 districts in Uttarakhand which are the grouped into 2 divisions, Kumaon and Karwal. The capital of Uttarakhand is the Dehradun according to the 2011 Census of India. Uttarakhand has a population of 1,116,752. Uttarakhand is the only state in India with Sanskrit as one of its official language. Thank you, Course Guide Amar Bahadur Singh, Class 7th Course SSG 9C.
Good morning all of you. The word of the day is delinquent. Part of speech, adjective, meaning behaving vaguely. Antonyms, well behaved, conformist. Synonyms, lawless, criminal. Thank you.
Academy, सावधान. Staff members, by mud. Academy, राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर.
जनगण मन अधि